Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Y'all made it another week in the market. For y'all to know, Monday the market is closed, so I expect the day to be red. People not gonna leave their money in the plays or positions over the weekend, especially people that do a lot of options and stuff. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, still not a bad day though. My buying power back up at 146,157.08. I did make some trades. Trying to think what exits I did make yesterday. I had a order for dang, it was a stock of a gas company. Yeah, KNOT. I want to say. I took profits on this one, and it kept going. But I'm not mad at it. I think it was this one. I sold 80 shares at $7.61. Um, I got out of it. P ratio 18.2. Dividend yield 1.37%. One I got out for because they end up cutting the dividend a lot, and the market cap 2.8 million. Trying to stick with stuff a billion and over. Some other stocks I can go to if I want to deal with. I go with like Enbridge or other things. If I want to deal with oil and stuff. But that's why I got out of it, just to show you. So that did put some money back. I don't think my order with AFCG went through. I still got 244 shares. So obviously it didn't. $5.15. I'm selling 187 shares that I brought. I brought 100 shares at $4.35, which I'm selling. I brought another 25 at $4 or 50. No, another 50 at $4. That's 150. And the rest I brought at like $3 and something when it was low. So I'm gonna sell those to pay back that margin on that, make a couple dollars, and keep the remainder. So if I do one, let me see, AFCG, I'm got 187 shares I'm selling right here just to sell order. 187 minus 244 I'm at. So I should have like 57 shares left. I'm gonna keep that for the long haul. Real estate gonna go up after the interest rate cuts. You hope 21.94% dividend yield. We both know that is not sustainable. They just cut their dividend, paying 15 cents a quarter now, from 33 to 23 and a half to 15 cents. They did all this in a matter of 3 payment cycles, 3 quarters. It went from 33 to 23 and a half to 15 cents. I'm hoping the next pay don't be 10 cents or 12 cents, another cut. But it got a dividend payout ratio of like 154%, meaning they're using 154% of their profit to pay the shareholders out in dividend, which is unsustainable. That's why I'm getting out of it. You can't have a market cap of 105 million with a 21.94% dividend yield. Even if you deal with, just a learning session for y'all, man. Even deal with Realty O. Let's look at them. This is also a REIT. Trading at $58.62. They got a dividend yield of 5.48%, but they got a market cap of 53.6 billion. So they got 5,000 times the money that AFCG got, with a dividend yield that's a quarter of what they are paying. So which one you think gonna be the better buy? Exactly. So just for y'all, something for y'all to check out. Anyway, let's get the trade, man. Might get some backlash on this one, but this one is one everybody like for the dividends. Dividend 7.715 trades a day. What is today? It is that MSTY. They like MSTY and ULTY. But from right here, I'm just gonna dollar cost average on in. Buy a full share in another portfolio. Not gonna buy any more here. I already got some sale orders in to get my money back and pay back that margin. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. Y'all think I'm holding no secrets from y'all. For y'all that follow me, I got a sell order in for all those shares I brought overnight the other night. $16.50, 155 shares. To pay back those, I brought those shares at $15.97. So make a couple dollars and pay back the margin, and it's gonna lower my average cost once it sells. But I'm at $15.25. It's not bad. Ybit options on Bitcoin. It's at 968. Let me check out Bitcoin, see how that's moving, because it's trade according to that. I like this at $10 and under. This is the only time I'm buying it. Let's check out BTC, because Bitcoin got to be down if this one is down. Yep, Bitcoin. See, they trade in a pattern. Bitcoin at 108 now. Oh, excuse me, sorry. BTCC should be the Global X one. It's another Bitcoin ETF. Global X have one a Bitcoin ETF. See Global X. There you go, BCCC. So this one should be down also. Only thing I don't like about this one is you can't buy in fractional shares. You got to buy the whole share. That's the only thing I don't like. Outside of that, I would have invested in this company. But anyway, why better cut it? I know the pattern of it, so we're gonna ride out with that. Okay, let's go to ARR, 24 cents a share a month. Definitely taking advantage of this pullback here. Another one I like just to throw at y'all. Got in another portfolio, XLF. This is Financial Sector Spider Fund ETF. I buy this weekly. 52-week high just reached another high, $54.12 with a low of 42.21. I hope this pull back, but I'm buying that weekly. That don't do nothing but go up. I like the financials. UPS is another one. Right now with a dividend yield of 7.49%, 52-week low, 84.28 with a high on 45.01. I think this gonna go back up in the future, especially with them self-driving cars and everything. They closing down facilities and laying off folks, so they're gonna operate leaner, make the revenue look better. Walmart is another one you got to get at these prices, especially at this 97 and under price. This gonna go back up past that $100 mark. Two Harbors. I like Two Harbors under the $9 range. Sorry, under the $10 range. That's my loading zone to pick up. LAND. Got land. At 919, 52-week low is 847 with a high of 1488. 16, I think it paid 4.5 cents a share dividend. I think it's a good buy, like that 950 and under. Definitely a buy at the 9 and under. So this gonna be a nice swing. Yeah, I say the real estate sector is getting beat up. This one I'm gonna let loose though. I'm gonna operate a little. Cause REITs and BDCs, they both risky. Both got the same rules. Got to pay 90% of their taxable income out to shareholders and dividends. Horizon Technology taking advantage of this pullback. 684 today. I'm only buying this at the $5 and under range. Definitely want to lower my average cost in this one. All these shares I'm buying at this range, I am going to sell. And that's going to lower my average cost once it reaches out. It's going to sell, make a couple dollars, and USOI 5176. OXSQ 218 today, 3.5 cent a share month dividend. Waiting on this to pop back above that $3 mark. I'm gonna be paid in the shade. Wendy's be another trade. As y'all done heard me say before, I'm getting out of this food industry. Ticker OPI. Down to what, 21 cents today. Go get 10 shares of this at this price. It's gonna be another swing. So I'm gonna be cleaning my portfolio up. I'm at 42 cents. Charge point. The long-term play here. $9. Some Coney. Like Coney at 7 and under. Just knock down that average cost slowly. Got the Dow. 24, I'm at 31. Got a feeling I need to do this at this price, man. Think this gonna be a sleeper. This gonna be a nice trade here, and it's cheap. Give me another 10 at this price. They pay 1 cent a quarter out in dividends. All right, let's go check out traps. For y'all to know, y'all should be in the red good in this. Y'all been buying this. I've been buying 5 shares a day of this PSEC, about to reach that $3 mark. I sold 107 shares yesterday in my Webull portfolio at $289. I brought on margins, a bunch of shares I brought at $280. I just wanted to pay the margin back, and rinse, repeat. Put another buy order in at $280, lower my average cost. I'm at $432 right now. I've been telling y'all this gonna go back above that, so now I'm not buying it. Collect that dividend. Got a dividend payment coming for $71.19. I'm gonna exit my position in my Webull portfolio once it goes up. I don't want to be overweight in this, and I'm gonna keep this one so y'all can see as I trade it. Just want to show y'all PSEC, got Horizon, OXSQ. See these other things, I'm cleaning it up. I'm using this margin, gonna pay it back. Dividends gonna pay it back by itself. But and OPI, it's gonna be another one I'm gonna get rid of. Once it goes up, that's not nothing I'm keeping for the long term. Better REITs out there, Ready Capital, probably another one I'm gonna dump. If I'm gonna deal with a BDC, I'd rather deal with Prospect Capital, to be honest, because you got all it. One thing it has, it got a nice yield, and also got the trade value behind it. It always trades in the million, like 4 million or better. So something for you to trade. Get some CHCT when that come around too. AFCG, another one I'm gonna get rid of. So that's gonna just pay back everything, man, and everything gonna be all right. I said now I'm gonna stick to more dividend and trading, taking risks on dividend plays. In case you get stuck, you get the dividend, wait for it to get to the price you want, and then let it rip. YMAG, Misty, we got some of that. AIYY, it's another one I'm gonna want to trade. I'm accumulating at 267, 263. So I already got my buy orders waiting. 263, 240. I had one at 267. Might have triggered it. 266, 50 shares. Didn't notify me, but let's check it out and see. 267 right here. So it did trigger it. 25 shares. So let's see my average cost now. Should be down some more. I'm at 666. So I'm bringing it down. That's fine. Dividend, it is paying a look at the dividend payment got coming for this month. 11.5 cents a share for a $2 stock. You can't beat that. Like I said, you got to know your loading zones. It's the ex-dividend date now, so that's why it's coming down. So that's why I only buy it then. When it get above the $3 mark, all those shares I'm buying at 270 and under, I'm gonna sell. To lower my average cost, rinse and repeat. Nvidia, NVDY, 1668. Let that come down some more. IWMY is the Russell 2000, pay out weekly also. To lower my average cost in this one also. Build my position up. That's why these weekly ETFs, they're a little volatile. You don't want to just load up on them. YMAX, I like this at the what it is, 13 and under. I got a low of 11.21. So but I'm putting right now, I'm gonna chill on that because I'm buying Horizon. I'm buying 5 shares a day. So I'm gonna put the money from there into there. SVOL not in my buy range. SPY, all that can come down some. JEPI can come down. JPQs, let that come down. XPage, Charge Point, we did get some of that. CHPY 2%. 1584, 1562. Not gonna bother that. QQQI 5274, 52. See, all that's not worth me buying right now. 55. I'm actually up in this one. So that's it. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend, man. Stay safe out there. Stay cool. Signing off. Go get your money.